most of my time over here. We're looking at the dashboard right now. You see all the quick hitters you can get to quickly over here. Account management's pretty easy. You go in and you change your address, the phone numbers, things like that.
Mm-hmm.
Well, let's stop for a minute on loyalty program. I am laughing that it works out great, that it is the May 4th, and my auto ship goes out, my loyalty order goes out on the 5th. Quick one. So today is May the 4th be with you. Obviously, my big Star Wars geek. I got to say that.
Yes.
There's also another thing. Oh yeah, my anniversary, so
Yes.
I'll never forget my anniversary because it's always on May the 4th be with you. So great. 28 28 years, 28th anniversary. So a lot of
That's amazing.
All right. So with that said, so as you see up here, my next ship date's tomorrow. I can edit my ship dates by clicking here. My loyalty points available. I can redeem them by clicking here. And what I have currently set up, it lets me know that I am qualified to receive the bonus product of the month, which will be Trifactor formula, which will just be thrown in now with this order. It's not qualified this month to receive it next month anymore. I'll get it right there. But really quickly, I could just easily edit my order right now. And whatever I edit it to will come tomorrow. So it's pretty awesome. I'm loading up on some Bountiful Harvest, as you can see, but I'm ready to go.
That's awesome.
So simple to do, so quick to do. Like I say, you can change it very quickly. Click on edit the order. I don't want to edit my order, Jade, so I'm not going to, but I could go in there, change these, go in, do it, but I don't want to. So I'm going to go back to where it was because that's exactly what I want. And then for me, probably most of the time we're going to spend on MyShop. So really quick, I'm just going to show you this and we'll jump back to MyShop. Reports, here's all your reports. Just click on them and they'll open up and you can do whatever you want with them. Very simple and easy. And just like on the app, they're written out by things that you might look at daily versus you might look at weekly versus things you might look at monthly. And then obviously your tax forms yearly. So great, easy to use, easy to function on your laptop, just like on the app. Resources gives you the ability to go in, get marketing resources, just as, the logos, different things like that, business forms. If you want somebody up, I know we have some people that work with people that don't use technology, so they're able to download the apps and order forms to get people signed up. Click on go shop some For Life apparel, and then when you click on current promotions, it will take give you the opportunity to click on the newsletter. And then events and recognition, you can go there to look at recognition, check on who's qualified at some of our higher ranks, or just want to see what our events that are coming up are, which, by the way, convention coming up soon. We're going to be launching the ability to sign up for convention very, very soon. So keep paying attention. Emails will go out, but also Jade and I will be going live on the US sales team page to talk about that as well, coming up in the next little while.
Yeah.
All right. Talking really fast, but let's go back to MyShop because I kind of want to focus on that. We had Davis Crabb train a little bit on this, utilizing this from the app. I want to take a minute and talk about doing it from your back office or your computer or on your mobile. So you come here first, and the easiest thing to do here is share your discount. You just click on that, copy, and then you can go in and email that link to somebody and it'll take them to your shop page. So I think I did click on that. Hang on one second. My computer's running slow now. Probably because I'm running a video right now, but it'll just take them to everything, give them the ability to do that for everything. We have our cards, so we'll talk about in a minute. Well, let's talk about those now. I'm going to scroll down a little bit. So here you can create the carts. I've got one that I was sending to Trent, and but you just go here and you copy. Right here, you copy that link, and that's the link right here that's going to send them in. This is what they're going to see when they get there. So
I love that you can see that.
Oh, it makes you feel so much more comfortable to know what they're going to see when they get.
Totally.
So you see this, you can see that's telling them how much money they're saving. You get the ability to say no, thank you, add it all to the cart, or if they click on these, this is a preview of what they will see, but they can click, say they want these two, but not this one. They just click right here and that will go away. And then they can add the other two to the cart. So this is what they're going to see when you send that link to them. In my opinion, Jade, I'm just going to say it. In my opinion, way better option than just sending them to the page and letting them fend for themselves.
Totally.
You're
Much
guiding them
easier.
down the products they'll want.
Yep. They can see
So,
the discount too, which is really nice. Very visual.
super awesome. Okay, now we're going to scroll up because I want to talk about a couple other things. Now, up there you see it says share my shop, share my discount, and it says, you know, forlife.com/Nathan Larson. Now, I've went in and changed mine. Everybody out there, if you're signed up in For Life, you have a For Life MyShop account. That's forlife.com/ it defaults to your ID number. But
Okay.
now, all you got to do is send a letter to legal, send an email to legal asking to get that changed to whatever you want. We prefer that it has something to do with your name. So it could be your name like I did. It can, you know, so I know some people have like team and then their name, stuff like that. It's going to get approved a lot quicker. That we're not going to approve if it's like For Life official discount shop or, you know,
Right.
something like that. Anything that includes For Life or discount or shop, you know, because we're, you know, they need to understand that you're an independent affiliate with For Life and this is your independent page. And so that's why it's important to keep it something that has to do with your name so they can find you. Go ahead. I feel, Jade, you look like you want to say something.
I just had a question. How do they contact legal if they want to change that?
Oh, perfect. Legal@forlife.com. That's simple.
Okay.
Email the legal@forlife.com. Now, another really cool thing about this, let's say you send them the link, they lose the link or whatnot, so they can't click on the link. This is why I like changing it to your name. But they know my name is Nathan Larson. So you can also tell them, hey, if somehow you lose my link or whatever, go place an order. And when you get to a promo code, just type in Nathan Larson.
That's
Or
nice.
say, type in your ID number. Jade, for social media, they're talking about a product. They can always put, if they don't want to include a link to the cart, they can always put on there, use my promo code and put whatever their promo code is, correct?
Yeah, absolutely. That's great for stories, you guys, if you want to share.
Yeah. So, all right. Now, so with that said, there's that aspect. Now, a fun thing that Davis brought up was this aspect right here. Now, I'm talking to a person, they're interested in trying our products, but I know they're not interested in network marketing at all.
Right.
I turn off these two aspects and you have to refresh and log out, but like when you do that and I send the link, it will not include the sign up right here.
Right.
So total e-commerce to them. And then let's say, for example, I'm not worried about it saying that up there, so I'm gonna turn on allow sign up, and it's gonna stay on there for me. So they're gonna see that they have the ability to sign up. Or let's say I'm talking to somebody that I know wants to sign up. I can just click on there and I can tell them that there's going to be a message on there. Click on the message, a message about joining or signing up. Click on there, click on that. It'll take them right to the sign up portion of the thing. Correct. So very simple there, very easy to use. And you can, like I say, you saw how quickly I turned them on and off. So you can change that for each person you send a link to. Make it a lot easier for them because there are people that just don't want to do the business, but they want to get awesome products. So, you know, you don't have to always be recruiting. You can sometimes be just selling great products through your MyShop. And that's a way to kind of do it so that it doesn't turn off some of the people, but also turn it back on so that the people that do want to sign up get it. So, okay, now, once really quick, just creating a list. I do want to bounce down here. I forgot to do this when we were talking MyShop. It's super easy to create a list. Let's say I want to send Jade something. I'm going to send Jade. I probably should have titled it the Larson Family Favorites. But let's say I want to get it to Jade. So, chewables, Larson Family Favorite. Kind of interesting. I know, as you can see, mint's probably the favorite of most people, but the Larson family favorite is the orange spray. And then, I mean, I would say collagen and Right Start. So I'm going to send her just kind of the ones that we use a lot at the Larson house. And then there it is. It's been created. We scroll back down and it is my latest one. So it's sitting right here. So I want to share this list. So I copy the link. Link has been copied. I go to my email it to her, and off and rolling. If I'm doing this on my phone, I copy the link and I can text them, WhatsApp them, Facebook Messenger, you name it, get it over to them. So super simple. Now, one other thing I want to show you with all of this, no matter which one you're clicked on, this stays right here. So if I'm talking to a person, I want to help them sign up, just click on that. Takes me to here where, or, I can send it to them to click on, but it has all the benefits of why you'd want to, some frequently asked questions, blah, blah, blah. Or it actually gives you two options, a little redundant, Jade, but it's there. You can either join or sign me up, both of them. But if you click on them, take them to here.
Mm-hmm.
You can start to fill it out for them, or if they're sitting next to you, you can do it. Go down, you fill out I love this because I always hate when they ask me to fill out my billing address after getting my shipping address.
Mm-hmm.
For me personally, already tells me right here, oh, look at that. Oh, I know that guy. That's that crazy guy that talked to me about those transfer factor products. But it just doesn't just have the ID number, it has the name, so it tells them. And then they can submit it and you're off and rolling. So, just some really functional aspects of signing people up, sending messages, sending cards to people, going to your reports. It's very functional, very easy to read. I mean, you're going to look here and you're going to know to yourself, oh gosh, I want to look at my target rank reports, or I want to look at a report. Well, first of all, they're right here. I can click on them and be ready to go, or I can go to the reports. Super easy. MyShop. We know what we're doing in MyShop. Loyalty's right there. Everything's super easy, bounce around super easy, makes things simple. So I hope that cleared up some questions that I know some of you have had.